Unfortunately, this tragic news coming in this morning. Ace choreographer Saroj Khan has died of cardiac arrest. She was 72 years old and was admitted in a Bandra hospital. Her COVID test had been negative. However, she was unwell for a while and that's why was admitted in a hospital at Bandra for breathing problems. Late last night, her condition deteriorated and she passed away. Legend in Bollywood had a 40-year-long career. She started as a child artist but choreographed more than 2,000 songs. Some of them went on to become hugely popular simply because of her choreography. Saroj Khan has also won many awards. She is the recipient of the most National Film Awards for Best Choreography. She won them for several films including Jab We Met, Devdas, Shrikaram and others. She also won 8 Filmfare Best Choreographer Awards. Saroj Khan is known to have groomed many actors in Bollywood, a legendary choreographer no longer with us. She died of cardiac arrest late last night. Pankaj Upadhyay joining us with more details on this. Pankaj, unfortunate news coming in this morning. Late last night, we understand Saroj Khan passed away. She was ailing for some time now is what we hear.
That's right, Akshita. A legendary Bollywood choreographer, Saroj Khan, is no more with us. This is a shocking news that's coming from Bollywood. And what we have learned till now is that for over a week, she was admitted in a hotel. I beg your pardon. She was admitted in a hospital in Bandra, and that she had been suffering from breathing problems. But late last night, her conditions deteriorated. And she died. But more importantly, we are learning that a COVID test was also done, and that was negative. So this death is not because of the coronavirus. That has been confirmed. And as you rightly pointed out, this legendary choreographer was associated mostly with to the likes of Shri Devi and Madhuri Dixit. And Akshita, even as I'm talking to you right now, the reactions from the Bollywood fraternity have started coming in on Twitter. We had Nimrat Kaur, who's tweeted saying that Saroj's name introduced the word choreographer to my life, a genius who immortalized stars and the music that defined an era. With her iconic work, may her loved ones find strength and courage at this terrible hour. There'll be no another. R.I.P. Saroj Khan. So a big shocking news coming in, but we are also learning that her last rites are going to be performed in the suburban area of Malad. But more importantly, as I said, the information that we have now is that this is not a COVID death. The COVID test was done earlier. It had come out to be negative. Late last night, her condition deteriorated. She had breathing problems for which she was admitted in the hospital for over a week in Bandra. And yes, this will come as a big shocking news to everyone. And Akshita, especially this year, I think she is the 4th Bollywood personality after Irfan Khan, Rishi Kapoor and Sushant Singh Rajput that has shocked everyone.
It's been a terrible year really for Bollywood because we've seen so many legends passing away one after another and all of it so very unexpected. I just want to also focus on the life and times of Saroj Khan, Pankaj, and really what a career she had in Bollywood. Some of the most iconic songs in Bollywood were choreographed by her. They went down to be legendary because of her choreography.
Oh, absolutely, Akshita. I remember Saroj Khan in an interview saying that there is no life beyond dance for her. And she was mainly associated with the likes of Shri Devi and Madhuri Dixit. Especially in the 90s, her songs became a rage right from Tezab's Ek Do Teen. And until recently, until 2019, she was choreographing. She had put in the dance direction to a song in the film Kalank as well. So it's not as if she had given up dancing because of her age as well. She was very active till 2019 as well. And she had her own show where she was teaching dancing as well to the aspiring dancers. She commanded a lot of respect in Bollywood. There's no doubt about it. On many forums, we saw how the legendary actress Madhuri Dixit had said that whatever dance moves she had learned, it was because of Saroj Khan. Before Madhuri Dixit, we knew how Shri Devi on many occasions had said that most of her dance numbers were hit. Credit Saroj Khan. So she was a big personality, a legend in herself. There's no doubt about it. So this news of Saroj Khan will come as a huge shock to one and all. But the information that we are getting at this point of time from the family members of Saroj Khan is that the last rites are going to be performed today itself in the suburban area of Malad. And as many would be anxious to know right now that this is not a COVID death. The COVID test was conducted by the doctors earlier on. Her problem was that she had breathing problems. She was highly diabetic. Yes. And for that very reason, she had been admitted to this hospital in Bandra, but her condition deteriorated last night. And as a result of it, she died owing to cardiac arrest late last night. Akshita.
All right, Pankaj, thank you for getting us those details. Unfortunate news that's coming in this morning, and through the day, we'll continue getting you all the rich tributes that come in from the industry.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.